everyone. Well, that was just the beginning. The night is young and the rhythm is just getting started.
Today, we are taking a journey through the heartland of India, a place where tradition, rhythm, and nature dance together.
A performance that is raw, powerful and deeply rooted in the heart of nature.
Our next performance takes us away from the city lights to the lush green of the Western Ghats to the Dang district of southern Gujarat.
Absolutely. While we often associate dance with loud music and melodic instruments, our next performance breaks all those conventions.
Yes, this is the Dangi Nritya, the rhythmic soul of Gujarat's tribal heart. It is traditionally performed by both men and women, forming the rhythm by holding hands, dancing to the beats of thali and dol.
What you are about to see is just not a choreography. It is a story of tradition where intense energy replaces musical instruments. It is a true celebration of community, passion and indigenous tradition.
Let's hold your breath together and create a thunderous round of applause for the incredible performance as they bring the spirit of Dangi to our stage.
Let's welcome the vibrant team on stage. Please put your hands together for Shlok Niture, Shresh Kure, Arush Wallekar, Abhinav Bhosle, Tejaswini Bise, Hansika Sutar, Kritika Champude, Divya Verma.
Yash Sringare, Shrisha Suryavanshi, Shivansh Shirsagar, Praneet More to present the Dangi dance. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.